individual appears to be the Tehran bureau chief of Japanese broadcaster NHK. The crew on board NASA's Orion space capsule is back in contact with mission control after rounding the dark side of the moon. The astronauts on board have named 2 previously unnamed craters. One will be called Integrity.
In 200 meters, turn right on